Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Poweramp. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Poweramp and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Poweramp. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.